Hello friends, I am the little master of this channel. My name is Aryan. Today I am going to tell you a story. It was a hot day. Earth thirsty and while looking for some water. After walking for some time, she saw a river. She saw a small river. She went to drink water. Her foot slipped and she fell into the water. She shouted, "Help, help!" A dove was sitting in a tree nearby. He heard his cries and she plucked a big leaf and dropped into the water. The leaf fell near the ant, and the ant climbed on the leaf, and the leaf floated on the dry land. Just then, the ant saw a hunter raising his gun at the dove. The ant quickly bit the hunter on the knee. The hunter cried in pain. The loud sound of fire made the dove fly to safety. My friends, then we'll meet again in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.